Hello friends, we are back again on our own YouTube channel with a new topic, email writing. Before starting an email, we must be aware with the definition of email, types, format and sample. Let me clear you definition of an email. Email means electronic mails. E for electronic. It is the easiest and the cheapest way of communication. It is used in formal, semi-formal as well as informal way of expression or writing. Types of email. Email are of three types: informal, semi-formal and formal. Informal email include email writing, which we write to friends, relatives or family members. Semi-formal email we write to teammates, classmates and colleagues. Formal emails we often write to all professional communication means. Layout of an email. Before writing an email, the format of email must be clear to us. So, first of all, we will write from. In from comes sender's address, but it should be email address, not a simple address will be accepted by computer. Then comes to, again we need email address. Then comes date. First we write date, then month, then year as usual. Here you may write time also along with the date. Then we write subject for which you are writing an email. Then you may leave line. You may leave line in between after from also, to also, date also, then subject also for the clarity. Then comes our salutation. If you are writing an email to your friend, then you may write dear friend. If you are writing mail to your brother, then you may write dear brother. If it is formal email, then you may write sir, ma'am, respected sir, etc. It is much closer to letter writing, so its format also have some similarities. Then comes our body. Body of an email contains complete sentences. Each topic should be told or asked in new paragraph. Use please, let me know, when need a reply, or kindly or please for asking help. Then comes our complimentary clause, regards. Then at last, sender's name. To make it more clear, here are examples of both the emails, informal email and formal email. First, I will give you example of informal email writing. Write an email to your friend describing your visit to a book fair in your school. From here you will mention your email address, to email address, then comes our date, after that subject, that you get an idea from your question that for what purpose you are writing an email. Here I have given question regarding to visit to a book fair, so I have mentioned here the same subject. Then comes our salutation, dear Rekha, I have mentioned here. This also according to your question. If you are writing an email to your brother, then you have to write here the name of your brother or dear brother. If your friend, then you may write your friend name here. Okay. Then comes our body. Our school has arranged for a book fair for about a week. I visited the fair in the playground today. There was quite a hustle and bustle there. Many publishers have installed their booths. Most of them have brought books for school children. There are some guides to provide important information to the visitors. Then, my friends, I have a separate paragraph to make the content more clear. I was attracted by a stall which had a variety of storybooks. I bought two popular storybooks or stories. Here you may mention any two stories or storybooks. But I have mentioned here Panchtantra and the Arabian Nights. I have also bought the Computer Basics. Same here, you may write any other book name. It's up to you. It is very useful in learning to operate your computer. Then comes our complimentary clause. When you come, I shall show you the books. After that, write your name, Sudha. Here I am again with a sample of formal email write. Send an email to the health officer of your district to open a dispensary in our village. From, then comes to, then date, and after that subject, request for opening dispensary. Respected sir, dear sir, or you may write sir as well. I am a resident of Jalandhar. I want to draw your attention to the need of opening a dispensary in our village. People have to rush to either the city or some distant place for getting treatment. They have to undergo great stress and inconvenience when they suffer from some serious health problem at odd hours. An urgent need to open a dispensary with a qualified MBBS doctor is felt by all the people here. You are requested to open a dispensary and provide the facility of a residential doctor who could be available at all hours. Immediate setting up of a dispensary here will be much appreciated. Then you have to mention your name here. My friends, I concluded it in one paragraph only in the body, but you may use 3 paragraphs also according to your wish. I hope you understood the format, concept of email writing. I will come back again with our new video. So till then, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.